Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to design a logo for free online. So if you're out there, you want to know how to design a logo for yourself, either you're a business person or you just want to use it to promote a personal business or anything you actually want to use a logo to achieve. So in this video today I'm going to be showing you guys how to design a professional logo by yourself online. So after watching this video, you'll be able to make a logo like this for yourself just on your mobile phone. Please stick to the end of this video as I'm going to be showing you necessary steps in designing an amazing logo for your business online for free, even just on your mobile phone or on your desktop. If you're new on this channel, consider subscribing to this channel by clicking on the subscribe button below. And to my returning subscribers, I say welcome back guys. Please give these videos a thumbs up so as to reach out to more people who might be interested in watching this amazing video as well. So without further ado guys, let's dive into this video. So just like I said earlier, I said I'm going to be showing you how to design a website, how to design a logo for yourself online for free, for totally free. So right now, before anything, I need to let you know what exactly is logo. So logo is an image that symbolizes your business. So logo is just like what people see. It's basically your brand, what people see that represents your business. So before anybody even see anything about your business or anything of your business out there, so what they say first is your logo. So that means your logo has to speak well for your business. And there are types of logo. We have 7 types of logo out there. So just like I said earlier, logo is an image that symbolizes your business. So we have 7 types of logo, and just like you see right here, we have abstract mark logo, we have mascot logo, we have combination mark logo, we have emblem logo, we have NASA, we have letter mark logo, we have pictorial mark logo, and word mark logo. So just like you see right here, each logo here are different type of logo. As you can see right here, where we have Pepsi logo, everybody, I'm sure you know Pepsi. So if you see Pepsi logo and you see Pepsi itself, you see there's nothing so correlates about the logo. They just use something abstract to define what the company is all about. So this is actually anywhere you see is a logo like this simply means it's an abstract mark logo. And as well, just like you see right here, we have mascot logo, which is KFC right here. We have the name of the company and a picture representing the logo. So a lot of time you see some logos that will have a picture of somebody, probably the person is doing something that represents the business. So that kind of a logo is called mascot logo. So the logo contains a picture and a text together. That's a combination. So another one is combination mark logo. Just like you see here, we have the name of the logo, the name of the brand, and as well something that signify probably something the company is doing exactly. Just like you see right here, we have Burger King. So right here we have the name of the brand, and as well we have some icon which is representing what the company is all about. And another one here, we have emblem logo. So emblem logo is more like embroidering. So something looks like Asian stuff, something probably it looks exactly maybe country stuff, or it has some emblem, something that was embroidered. So that kind of logo are called emblem logo. So another one is letter mark. So letter mark is mostly low type of logo. Just like you see right here, it seems more like the name of the logo and have some icon attached with it as well. So another one is pictorial, just like you see right here for Apple. So just like you see here, Apple logo, it implies the name itself. So just like you see Apple, and as well the name of the Apple is also representing the logo itself. So just as you can see here, it's pictorial mark. So it has the name of that picture. The name of the brand itself is still showing in the logo itself. So that kind of logo is called pictorial mark. So another one is called word mark. So this is one of the popular all these big brand out there are using word mark. Just like Google, the word Google itself is their logo. So Facebook as well is their logo. We have different kind of logo like Google as well, which means the name of the logo is also the what they do as well. So just as I see here, it's a IBM as well is the name of their logo. The IBM is the logo itself. So we have like Visa as well, Coca-Cola, Google, so their name still the same thing as their logo. So we have different type of logo out there. So just like I said, pictorial for Apple, as you can see right here, Apple, the name still signify Apple, as you can see, and Apple is representing their logo. Just like Twitter bird, you can see bird representing the logo of Twitter. So we have different kind of type of logo out there. We have abstract logo just like Pepsi here, we have Adidas here, we have BP here, we have different kind of logo mascots like you see KFC here, Mr. Peanut, and different kind of logo. So every logo has meaning and they have different types. So before you choose in starting a business for yourself, before you start creating a logo for yourself, you need to understand the type of logo you are creating. So what exactly do you want to achieve with the logo itself? So you getting started with designing a logo for yourself. So now the next thing you need to do is to make some research about the logo you want to do. So we have different kind of industry out there. You might be in fashion industry, you might be into music, you might be into professional services, you might be into IT services. So there are whatsoever services you are rendering or products you are selling, there are ways people around there usually design their logo, something that usually represent the logo. So just like fashion industry, where you see a fashion logo, you should see something like probably anger or cats or something, or anything. Even if it's supermarket, a lot of time you see cats representing their logo. So we have different kind of logo. And so before you start designing any logo for a business, you have to understand and make some research, so that anybody that sees your logo at a glance, they understand, okay, this is what your brand is all about. Even at a glance, nobody needs to ask. If you see just like some logo out here, Google or NASA are out there, so if you see it, you already know, okay, this is what these people is all about. Even if your logo doesn't speak much about what you do, but it should look presentable in a way that people will be able to relate with the logo. So we have different kind of industry out there. So whichever industry you fall into, let's say you want to design a logo for a clothing industry, so right here I have clothing store logo. So I actually want to find out the way fashion industry they used to design their logo. So right here I have clothing store logo. So when I type this, I have different kind of result that pops up. So on where I have a dress representing a women clothing store. So that means if you are designing a logo for a clothing store, that means you have to look for an icon or something that will represent a women clothing store. That means a dress has to represent your logo, so that anybody that sees your logo will know that you are into fashion, you are into selling of women dress. So that signify that that separates you from anybody selling any other product. So anybody seeing your product or your logo anywhere, we know that you are into women clothing and all of that. So right here we can see different kind of logos. So any logos you see right here, you can imagine you seeing this logo, you don't need to ask what this company is all about. So just like you see right here, you have a dress and you have an hanger. So this is beauty fashion. So another one here, we have a lady holding a shopping bag. So when you see this, you know that this is a clothing store for women, not for men. So as you can see right here, all these things are identifying that this particular logo is meant for women clothing store. So even if it is men, if you go out there and search for men clothing store, you are going to see something that will represent men. So just like you see right here, we have a tie showing that this thing is for men. We have showing a mustache that this is for men. There are different kind of things that can show that a logo is particularly for a particular people or for a particular brand. So we have different kind of things that can signify that this is this is a men clothing store. So these are the things that you need to identify. You, for instance, let's say you want to design a logo for a music company, so you can simply like music logo design. So you are going to see different kind of result that this is going to bring out for you, music. So as you can see right here, this is showing you different kind of icon. So as you can see right here, you see this is Emerson Begin. So this is a microphone, and this is representing a logo for a music industry. So another one right here is right here, you have a music symbol on a keyboard. So any kind of logo you want to do, you have to make sure that you go out there and search first. You search for, okay, what are people in my industry, what kind of thing are they creating, so that your logo have to speak well there, so that anybody that come across your logo will be able to identify what you are into exactly. So we have different kind of logo out there, and we have different kind of industry, so you need to identify which one you want to do. So anything you are going to be doing has to relate to the kind of logo you are creating. So we have different kind of industry. If you are creating a logo for a fashion business, if you are creating a logo for a music business, or for engineering, or for a professional service, we have different kind of thing that is representing them. So that icon or that image has to be included whenever you are designing a logo or anything, or any which way you want to do it. Just make sure that your logo looks very well and explainable to anybody that is seeing your logo for the first time. So because that has to convince anybody, even if anybody is going to buy or going to do any business with you, your logo has to look well appealing to people before they can transact any business with you. So right now I'm going to be showing you how to design a logo step by step, having know all the basic things you need to know about you designing a website, from you knowing the kind of logo, the types of logo out there. So I'm going to be showing you how to design the logo for free online. So if you don't have to use Photoshop or use CorelDRAW before you can design a logo for yourself. So I'm going to be showing you how to do that, and what we are going to be using today is called Canva. We are going to be using Canva to design our logo without, even if you don't have a knowledge of graphic design at all. So I'm going to be walking you through step by step how to use Canva to design a logo for your business right now. So right now this is Canva, so I'm going to be dropping the link below this video as well. So for you to get started, you just need to go to canva.com. so this is Canva, canva.com. I'm going to be dropping a link below this video as well. So for you that know what Canva is all about, so I'm going to be walking you through how to get started in designing a professional logo for your business right now. So this is Canva, and this is what it looks like exactly. If you browse this on your mobile phone as well, you are going to get the same information as well. Responsiveness can just be a little kind of different, but you get every information. Responsive is very easier to use on your mobile phone as well. So let me try to just make this to mobile view so that you can see how it looks on mobile as well. As you can see right here, this is how it looks on your mobile phone too. So you can simply go ahead and check on your mobile phone as well. So you have almost the same responsiveness on your mobile phone as well. So what you want to do right now is to go ahead and sign up. So but because of this video, I already have an account, so I'm not going to be signing up again. I just log in. So just let me show you how to sign up. When you sign up, it's going to ask you, how do you want to sign up? Do you want to continue with your Google account or Facebook or with Apple? So I have an account already, so I'm just going to continue with Google and insert my account right now. So I'm just going to sign in my Gmail account. I'm going to sign in with my Gmail account. So this is going to go straight to my account because I already have an account with them. So this is going to go straight to my account. So right now I'm signing, just like you can see right here. This is my username Uluyemi. So I have my account signing already. So if you don't have an account, simply go ahead and click on sign up. It's very easier to sign up. In just less than a minute, your account has been signed up. So right now what you need to do right now is to go to this search bar that we have here and just type in logo. So even on your mobile phone, just click on that search bar and type in logo. So just see, when you see this, just click on logo. So when you click on logo, it's going to take you straight to another page entirely. So the page which is going to take you to is a page whereby you have different kind of templates. So these are different kind of templates you can actually play around with. So there are some templates which has been done already, and this thing, we have some which are free and some are totally not free, which means you have to pay for it. Just like you see right here, this one, we have this here that says free, this is free, this is free, this is free, this is paid for, this is a premium. That means you have to upgrade to Canva Pro to have access to some of all these, or even you pay for some of these before you have access to them. So these are templates you can simply go ahead and just tweak to your own taste. So just like this one that we have, vegan food, so probably you want to change the name to Michael food, so you just need to change the text and just save it, then start using the logo. Is out there for you to be used for you. So there are some that is free here that you can simply go ahead and just change some information right here. So we have a lot of logo out here. So and you can simply, under the style, under the filter here, you can filter it. Let's say you need a simple logo, or you need a modern, or you need a minimalist logo. So you can simply go ahead and check different kind of logo. So we have different type. We have for luxuries, we have for illustration, we have for feminine. We have different type of logo out there that you can simply check one of the template and edit very fast. In less than 5 minutes you are done editing the logo, and it become yours even for free. So the ones that are called pro here, that means you need to upgrade your Canva account to a pro version for you to have access to some of these. But we have some here which are totally free that you can play around with. So, and as well, you can create your own logo from scratch. Let's say you don't want to create any logo from any template, you want to have your own from scratch. Let's say you have your own drawing and you want to follow your drawing and design everything from scratch, which is what I'm going to be doing right now. So I'm going to just click on this, create a blank logo. But before then, let me just show you one of this one which is free, a template. So you can simply just click on it. When you click on it, it's going to take you to a page whereby you can customize the logo entirely. So just like you see right here, this is loading. It's going to show you exactly the way the logo is, and you have the opportunity to edit it. So just like you see right here, you have the opportunity to edit this. You have Jennifer here. So this simply means that you can clear this thing, you can clear this and put your own name. You see, I just cleared this, so you can simply clear it and put your own name there. So this basically is yours. So you can simply do that by just editing it to your own taste. So but with this, I'm just going to create a new create it from a blank. So I want to create everything from scratch. So I just click on create a blank logo. This is going to take me to a blank page where I'm going to be designing my logo from scratch. So what I want to design is actually a women clothing store for a women. So what I'm going to do is to just type women clothing store. So this is what I want to do. So I want to pick a particular idea from what some people have done already. So we have different types here, we have different types of logos here. So I want to pick an idea from what people have done already here. I just need to do some tweaking from it and make it mine. Just so I think I love this. So what I'm going to just do is to pick this particular icon. This is an icon for me to use. This simply represents a women dress. So I love it and I think I can go ahead and use it. So what I want to do right now is that I need to pick this particular image and upload it on my Canva account. So but with this already, let me just save it for you to see. So when I save this, on my computer, so I can simply upload it. But right now this thing is having a white background. That means this thing is having a background, so I can simply remove this background totally. So this thing is not going to have any background. Even if it is any background or anything, I can simply remove the background. So I'm going to be showing you how you can remove background from any picture as well. So just right click on the image, then there are different ways you can do it. Either the first one, which I did, that you download the picture, or you copy the image address. So just open a new tab even on your mobile phone and type on remove.bg. This is going to open a page whereby you can remove background. So just like you see here, remove image background 100% automatically and free. So you can simply remove your background of your picture. So this picture which I just downloaded right now, and I have here as well, I can simply copy the image of this image address and paste it here by just pressing Ctrl V. The image is going to view here, is going to upload, or I just simply click on upload image. So when I click on upload image, it's going to browse my computer and upload this image as well, and I'm going to have the same thing I have here. So right now this has removed the background of this picture for me. It has removed the background totally, so I have no white background at the back anymore. So that means I can simply download this particular image without background. So in just less than a minute, this thing removed the background of that image for me. So I just download it and it download on my computer. So the same thing can be done on your mobile phone as well. Simply go ahead and go to remove bg. So I make a video recently as well. You can simply go ahead how to use this, how to use remove bg, have more understanding about it. I'm going to be dropping the link below this video as well. So I just removed the background from this image right now. So what I'm going to do right now is that I'm going to be importing this image which I just removed right now. So, and as well, you have, when I click on this create from scratch, as you can see right here, I have nothing here. So I have a blank page here, and at the same time I can still import some other design from here as well. So just in case I change my mind, I want to pick from the template which has been done already, so I can simply pick any of these free design here. So I can simply pick them and start editing them to my own taste. So but right now I want to create the design from scratch from my own understanding, so the way I want it. So I want to do everything from scratch right here. So what I want to do right now is to upload this image which I just removed the background. So I just drag the image, or is either I drag it to upload, or I just click on upload media. So whichever way you want to do, I just find the easier one to do for me. So I just drag it and it's upload for me. So I can simply click on upload, and this is going to browse my computer, so I can access that image as well. So whichever one you want to do, you can always do any one of them. So I actually want to do the one that will be much faster for me. So you can simply do the same thing on your mobile phone as well. So what I want to do right now is to just tick this particular image. The moment you tick it, it's going to appear on your design board here. So I have this image right now on my design board here. So that means I have, as you can see right here, I have an arrow showing here, showing here, showing here, and showing here. So I needed to be careful with this. So if I want to reduce or enlarge anything, I simply have to be using this four edge from the left edge up here and this other right side here. So if I want to reduce, I can simply reduce this to reduce it, or to increase, reduce or increase. So I have the option to do that. So if I want to crop anything out, I can simply use this other side which is here. So just use this thing to clear. So as you can see, this thing is cropping the other side of the image, so I can use that to crop anything, or simply use this thing to reduce or increase the image size. So this is very powerful things for me to do. So I can simply reduce or enlarge or do anything. Even if I want to rotate my image, this is a rotate icon here. So if I click on this rotate, I just click on it, then drag my mouse. When I drag my mouse, I can simply drag all of this thing to my taste anyhow I want it. So I want it very simple here. So what I want to do right now is to go ahead is to go ahead, and so this is going to undo what I just did. So this is one of the things you can achieve using Canva. So I actually want to reduce this just in case of what I want to do. So right now, just in case you want to edit this particular image, to probably you want to increase the brightness or do anything, so you have the option to edit image. You have the option to edit image right here. So you can easily increase the brightness. You can increase it, but as you can see, it's changing gradually. I can increase the construct and all of that. I can increase the this thing. As you can see, it look more nice right here. So these are some of the things that you can actually try here. So this is looking nice right now. So another thing I want to do right now is to name it to make it look more nice. So I have some stuff right here. I have elements, I have upload, I have text, and I have more. So under the more, I have some option for photo, style, audio. I can add audio, I can add video, I can add background charts, and even footer and some other integration I can always do here. So what I want to do right now is to add a name. I want to add a name to this thing, so I can simply just click on text. When I click on text, I'm going to be having three types of text right here, text to add to the page. So I have heading 1, I mean bigger size, smaller size, and this smallest size. So what I want to do is to just stick on this first one, which is first one here. So you can simply, so this is for me to add a text to what I'm doing. So the name of the store which I want to do is called Midday Clothing. So right here, as you can see, this thing is a kind of big for me right here. So I have the option to reduce this thing here. So you see, I have minus here and I have plus here. So this plus is to increase the font size and the minus is to reduce the font size. So I can simply come here and choose the particular size which I want. So let me just put 18 and say, so this 18 look very nice. So what I just need right now is to drag this thing to put somewhere here right now. So I can simply put this thing right here, put it right here, and I have the option to select any font of my choice. So we have different kind of fonts here. So this is another thing which you need to understand. So fonts is another basic important thing which you need to know about designing a logo or even flyer or doing anything. So you have to stick with a particular font. So when you are using a font, probably that is the font you're going to be using forever in any design you are doing. So it just has to be more professional about your designing. So when you have a focus, when you have a particular font which you always use and people are more used to that particular font which you always use, so that gives your brand more credibility that you know what you are doing. You are not just jumping from one font to another. So if you are going to be using fonts, there are some very amazing fonts which you can always use. One of the popular one is Poppins. So you can go ahead and use Poppins. Poppins looks very nice. So if you select Poppins, this thing is going to change to another nice font for you. Just as you can see right here, this look very nice here. So you can simply increase the size if it doesn't look more. So you can just move this thing to some side here. So you can change the color by clicking on this a text color. So we have different kind of text here. You can simply choose the particular color or another color. We have different kind of color here. You can play around with different colors. So whichever color you are going to use, make sure that the color looks very nice and attractive and you don't have too much color on your logo. So if you are going to be having much color on your logo, it has to be at least 2 or 3. The last maximum should be 3. So between 2 color and 3 color at least you should have on your website. Make sure that your font color is not much more, at least 2 to 3 colors. So I'm going to be using black for this. So I have Midday Clothing right here. So another thing which I want to put right here is just to put a little slogan of the store here. So I can just simply just clear this and put exclusive everyday. So you can simply put this and put it at the down of this and just put some, reduce it. So this will just look like the slogan of this brand right here. So if you look at this logo looks so amazing for anybody that is selling more professional online. So I have this right here, so I can easily customize it to make it look more nice for me. So looking at this thing, I think I need to reduce this thing to come down, so I can simply highlight all of this thing by clicking Ctrl A or just dragging my mouse if you are using your computer, and as well you can just simply move it down. So just like you see right there, this thing look more nice for you. So this is a very amazing logo for anybody to do right here. So this is Midday Clothing exclusive everyday. So if I simply put this out, probably change the color, maybe I change the color, give it another color that looks nice. Let's say I use this color, or I use a red color to make it complete. So any color which you want to use, this is your own choice. So we have different kind of things which you can play around with here. So I always love it when the logo is very simple, because simplicity is very nice when it comes to logo. Your logo does not have to be something too bogus or anything. So instead of me using this image, you can simply use another image for yourself. You can choose to use your own picture, but just make sure that the picture you are using look very nice, that it looks so appealing to anybody that sees your logo online. So anybody that sees this amazing logo online should know what the logo is all about, starting from the name, which is Midday Clothing and exclusive everyday. So that is an amazing slogan to use for your business. So I can simply change this color to make it more nice. So maybe probably use another color. This look nice right now. So this is an amazing logo for anybody to do. So you can simply use all of this for your social media, probably for your logo or for your cover design and all of that. So this is basically how you can design a logo from scratch for yourself. So just in case you want to design a logo using your some elements, so we have some other elements here which you can always add to your logo. Let's say you are into photography, where we have some vectors image here. We have some icons which you can include in your design. This is a camera, so let's say you are into photography, you can simply name your brand, probably something photography, Midday photography. So you can simply just put this Midday photography. So this can look more nice, so by you just changing the font to another amazing font out there. So we have a lot of fonts here which you can use. Some of them are pro version, some of them are free, so you can try any of these logo, any of these fonts. Right, for this one they are asking me to try it for free for 14 days. So I actually want to check the one which is free right now. So I want to use this. So this is an amazing type of fonts as well, which I can use. We have some other amazing fonts which you can play around here as well. So this is another font which you can try to. So just try different. We have different kind of fonts which you can always try anyone which you know will looks nice for what you actually want to achieve. So I'm going to try this. I think this look nice, so I can simply just put this in the middle and put the icon on top right here and reduce this a little bit. Probably I change the color of this thing, change the color, then give it another color. So I can simply save this thing and make it my logo, or just change the position. Maybe I change the position, change the font and all of that, change it to something else. So whichever way you want to make your logo appealing. So this is too big and I need to reduce it a little bit, to then bolden it to look more amazing. So when you're done with your design and all of that, so you can simply save your logo and save it, begin to use for your own commercial use. So this is basically how you can design a logo for yourself. This is a very stunning logo which I can promote or even do for any customer out there. So this is how simply you can design a logo for your business online. So for some logo which I showed you earlier, I actually use most of them. I use Canva to design most of my design for my customer, because it's very easier for me to use, and it's very fast. It's very fast for me to use for anything. So even as a business owner, you can simply do this even if you can't use Photoshop or CorelDRAW for anything, or you don't want to pay anybody to design anything for you. So you can simply come to Canva and design a logo for yourself. When you are done with this, you can simply just go ahead, click on the download button up here. You surely find the same thing on your mobile phone as well. So PNG is suggested for you because it has high quality image. When you download, this is going to download to your computer or to your mobile phone. This is actually downloading right now, so this is going to download to my computer, and from my computer I can easily be using. As you can see, this thing is downloading to my system. So this is basically very simple for me to use, and I can go ahead and start using it for my social media, for my profile picture, for on Facebook, or for any use, even for my letterhead. So this is simply how you can design a logo for yourself for free online. So this can take you less than just 10 minutes. You are done designing a logo for yourself. So kindly go ahead and try all of this to begin to use Canva to design a logo for your business. So I hope you guys find this very video insightful for you. If you find this video insightful and useful for you, can you give this video a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing to this channel by clicking on the subscribe button below. And to my returning subscribers, I say thank you guys for joining me. I say welcome back, guys. So kindly click on this notification bell as well to get notified anytime I drop another amazing video just like this. And please don't forget to share this video to some other people as well who might be more interested in watching this video. So thank you for joining me today, guys. Thank you, guys.